Hello everybody. Today we are doing worksheet number 8 of activity series 1. To order all the 12 worksheets of this series, please see the description box below. Today we are going to do shape hunt worksheet. See children, this is the worksheet. There are many shapes over here. This is a circle, triangle, square and a rectangle. So we have to find out the objects matching with this shape. Okay. So let's find out. The first one is circle. Okay. So tell me, over here there are many cutouts. So from here I am picking the sun. See children, this is a sun and it is circle in shape. So I am going to place it beside the circle shape. Okay. Next I am going to pick is a slice of watermelon. See children, is this round in shape or circle? No, it's not. So this can't be beside the circle one. So I am going to see another object. Look here children, this is a smiley face and it is round in shape. So I am going to place it beside the circle. Next, another one. Let's find out together, okay? See, I have a clock and the clock is also round in shape. So, let's put it beside the circle shape. So, children, in this row, I have placed all the objects which are circle in shape. Now, the next one. The next one is a triangle. So, let's find out together. See, what is this? This is a birthday cap, isn't it? So now let's put it beside triangle. And do you know why? Because look carefully. The shape of the birthday hat is also a triangle. Now the next one. Now see, this is the slice of watermelon. So this is also a triangle. So I am going to place it beside the triangle shape. And this one is a piece of sandwich. So I am going to place it beside the triangle. So now look here. In this row, all the objects are in triangle shape because this is the box of triangle where we have to place all the objects with triangle shape. Okay. The next one is a square. So let's find out the objects which are square in shape. Okay. First, let me take this one. This is a carom board, isn't it? And look, it is a square because it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to place it beside the square shape. The next one is a window. It is also square in shape. The last one is the clock. See, this clock has 4 sides, 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a square shape. So I am going to place it beside the square. So look children. This row has all the objects which are square in shape. Now children, the last one. This is a rectangle. Okay. See, the rectangle has 4 sides. But it is different from the square because square has 4 equal sides. Whereas in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. So now we have to find out the objects which are rectangle in shape. Okay, let's find out. So this one is a door. See children, in door the opposite sides are equal. So this is also rectangle in shape. So now I am going to place it beside rectangle. Now the next one. See, this is a television. It is also rectangle in shape. So I am placing it beside the rectangle shape. Okay. And the last one is an envelope. See, So this is also a rectangle. So I am going to place it beside the rectangle shape. See children, my worksheet is completed. I have put all the objects related to their shapes. In this activity, you have another set of worksheet. This one where also you have to find out the objects matching the different shapes. Okay. Parents, this activity helps the child to develop the concept of the shapes. And don't forget to order this worksheet. Thank you.
I hope you loved this real video by Real Educators. Please do subscribe to our channel